Guys, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. And Miss Muhammad is a beauty and Vevis. So guys, on today's topic, actually we'll be having a transformation for two gorgeous ladies on this channel, guys. I will be having two best makeup artists on this channel, one from Abuja and one from Kaduna. Racibel from Kaduna, Horriberry from Abuja. Yo guys, the transformation for a photo shoot, guys. So guys, we'll be having these two beautiful ladies on this YouTube channel, Precious Makama and Oma. Yeah guys, let me repeat their name again, Precious Makama and Oma. Actually this is not the first time we're having Oma on this very channel. There's this transformation, bridal transformation that we did on this very channel, and Oma happens to be the one that featured that very transformation. A lot of you guys sending me message like, please, what is Oma using for her skin? You know what, I got you. You know what, we got you. So you just, if you really want to know what she's using for her skin, then just keep on watching. Definitely she will tell you guys what she's using for her skin. Actually, she have a very clear glowing skin. I love her skin. Definitely I love her skin. So you all should please stay tuned and see how this transformation will look like and see what Oma she's using for her skin. So don't forget to subscribe to Miss Muhammad's YouTube channel. Don't forget to please share this video, let it go viral. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show us some love.
Yeah guys, it's still your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. And Miss Muhammad is a beauty. Babies. back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. Charity, say hi.
Hi.
Precious, hi.
Hi.
Oma, say hi. And Miss Muhammad is the building, babies. So on today's topic,
Guys, can you see the way they are glowing? Oh my god, look at their skin. I have here with me the CEO of Oma Skincare. Actually guys, she specializes in all these skin problems. If you have acne, black spot, or any skin problem, you guys just run to her. We'll be dropping her number and her Instagram handle down our description box so that you guys can reach out to her. Actually guys, her product is so affordable and you guys will like it. So I will leave the CEO Oma to explain all this product to you guys. You guys will not regret it.
Yeah. Hello guys, it's Ahnas. So I'm here to introduce to you my wonderful product which works if you're consistent, and then it's going to be very effective. So we have the Ahnas bath wash, which has enough bubbles, you know, here you go, has enough bubbles to remove that dirt and then give you a lightening skin tone. So we have the Ahnas exfoliating scrub, can you see this? Which removes dirt and kills, you know, dead cells, takes it off, and you have that, you know, toning, glowing skin. Then we have the moisturizing oil, can you see? For those of us that have like dry skin, you need this in your skin. You just apply on your skin and you have that glowing, beautiful skin. Then we have the Ahnas organic black soap. Guys, this is like the magic. Everybody loves this. Everybody's favorite. See it. Can you see? Can you see? This is like the perfect soap for all your skin.
Just use
It's
this
like
soap. You'll be popping,
type.
guys. You'll be
Thank
popping.
you. Thank you. Mary J. Black said
Your
so.
skin will be
Mary J.
popping.
Black said so. You know, so this skin gives you like a different glow. It doesn't bleach. It's like 100% organic. So when you use this, you come and thank me.
You
Please
bring
just
out your
come.
natural complexion.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So we have the Ahnas face soap. You just use it to wash your face. It removes acne, pimples, you know, skin discoloration and all of that. So come and get this. Then we have, oh sorry, the amazing Ahnas face cream. Can you see? This removes spots and acne as well. It gives you that smooth glow on your face. Then you know, just come. I don't need to be talking all these things.
You can tell even
Just
from their skin. Can you see how their skin is popping?
So we have the Ahnas serum. This is the lightening serum. You apply it for those of us that have skin discoloration. You apply this. So guys, there are many more products. So you could just come into my page. If you have any skin problem, please don't be shy. DM me. I am here for you. Just come in. We are all here for you. So guys,
just a DM away, guys. Rush to her DM. And trust me guys, you will not regret it.
Yo guys, don't forget, please, I'll be dropping her link down my description box, and I'll be dropping her phone number also down the description box. Please don't forget to please follow her on Instagram. Yeah, it's still your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. And Miss Muhammad is the building, babies. Open your